Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone in WhatsApp. First of all, you will need an account or what in WhatsApp. Let's say you don't have one. All you need to do, just go install it on Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone. After doing that, just go create your account and go straight to WhatsApp. So let's choose someone to block. Let's say, for example, I want to block this user. All I need to do, just click on the three dots here and more and then block. They're asking me if I want to report this contact if he said something rude to me or something inappropriate to me. As you can see, if I check this mark, they told me to the last 5 messages will be forwarded to WhatsApp, so they can see if they should remove his account. But if you want just to block his account, just uncheck this and click add block. As you can see, when I'm going to send a message, they will tell me that I am blocking this user. So just click cancel and here you are. This account is blocked by you. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video and goodbye.